The 2026 MINI Countryman blends versatility with urban flair, capturing attention at every turn. Experience front LED fog lights for enhanced visibility in misty conditions and active pedestrian safety, providing peace of mind by detecting and alerting you to potential hazards on the road. Step inside to find a nappa leather steering wheel for a luxurious grip and MINI Yours interior style shaded silver for a sophisticated ambiance. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Countryman. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.